Come on, buddy.
Buddy's getting old. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Woof. 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 Jump.
Go, buddy. Buddy, go get him. Go get him, buddy.
Come on. You can't steal second.
Go get him.
First,
go get him. Go get him. Go get him.
Here.
Go get him.
Get it. Who wants
Jump
it?
in.
Who wants
Jump
it?
in.
You gotta throw it up close, not close to Gavin, but in the middle. Go get it. Go get it.
Uh-oh. Don't let him have it. Oh, I caught an alligator.
I think the battery's getting low.
My buddy.
Relax. Relax, I have you. Stink.
What?
Oh.
He's not really feeling this.
Ew, it's...
Almost.
What?
Is Peyton out there?
Yeah.
Hey?
I think she might have to go potty.
Where is she? Sitting down?
She's out here. Okay. Hey, you have to go potty?
Remember you throw the ball in the...
I know. I'll come out with you. Let me do it one more time. Catch it. It's going to the other side. Oh, good try.
Come out here, Rick. All the way down here. I can't do it in the grass. The grass is wet.
Oh, it's okay. Throw it. Here it comes. Hey, didn't you go potty?
Bike.
Where you going, girl?
Come on my bike.
Peyton,
I gotta go Popeyes.
are you driving
Yeah.
or walking? Okay. Do you have the keys?
No. I'm riding.
Where are you going? You going to the beach house? Okay. Don't crash.
There they go. Going on their bike ride. Papa can't run as fast as Gavin can ride, so he's going to try this motor scooter. The kickstand's up. The kickstand is down low.
Where's Papa?
He's coming. Trying to get the kickstand up. You're doing a good job on that bike, big boy. Your 16-incher. They look like the guys in the circus in that big wheel.
Uh-oh. I don't think I have very much gas.
Papa trying to do tricks. riding on the neighbor's yard.